Your Excellency, the Prime Minister of Grenada, Mr. Dickon Amiss Thomas Michel, distinguished leaders, brothers and sisters of the Caribbean. The Caribbean is not a stranger to Africa. The Caribbean is Africa extended across the Atlantic. History did not move Africans to the Caribbean by choice. Rather, it moved Africans to the Caribbean by force. Yet, even after centuries of displacement, African identity survived. It survived in culture, in resistance, in innovation, and in resilience. That is why today, the Caribbean is rightly regarded as the seat region of Africa. And it is from this shared history, this shared struggle, and this shared future that I bring you greetings from Ghana. Your Excellency, this is not just a message about vehicles. This is a message about economic dignity. It is a message about industrial independence. It is a message about Africa and the Caribbean doing business with each other, not just consuming what others make. Today, I present to you Kantanka Automobile of Ghana, not merely as a car brand, but as a statement of what Africa is becoming. Kantanka represents a new chapter in our shared history. 1. A statement that Africa can design. 2. A statement that Africa can engineer. And 3. A statement that Africa can manufacture. Lastly, and a statement that Africa can move itself literally and economically. Your Excellency, I begin with the Kantanka K71 Pro. This vehicle is designed with people in mind. Workers, technicians, managers, entrepreneurs, and also public servants. Kantanka K71 Pro is powered by a 1.5 turbocharged engine. A turbocharger forces more air into the engine, allowing it to burn fuel more efficiently. This means stronger power delivery, especially when carrying loads or climbing hills without excessive fuel waste. K71 has a high ground clearance, which is ideal for developing road networks, construction zones, farms, and rural communities. K71 is a 5-seater, comes with a sunroof, comes with modern interior and comfort systems, air conditioning, infotainment display, and electronic power steering, because productivity improves when workers are comfortable. Your Excellency, this is the kind of vehicle that governments and private institutions can reward loyal workers with, or deploy across ministries, agencies, and national projects. The Kantanka K71 Pro is not luxury for display, it is dignity for labor. Next, Your Excellency, I present the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. This is a vehicle designed for leadership. Why the Onantefo matters? Onantefo has an SUV body with commanding road presence, built for official duties, national representation, and executive mobility. It is powered by a 2.0 turbocharged petrol engine, has a torque of 221 and a horsepower of 225. The Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV has a 360 panoramic view, a trip recorder, it has a reverse camera, a reverse voice, and also it comes with several sensors. Kantanka Onantefo has a strong suspension system which absorbs road imperfections, ensuring smooth rides even on uneven terrain. Onantefo has advanced braking and stability systems, ensures safety for high-ranking officials and state delegations. Kantanka Onantefo is spacious and has a refined interior suitable for long meetings, official convoys, and diplomatic engagements. Your Excellency, Onantefo sends a message, and that message is: we lead our nations in vehicles built by our own people. Imagine Caribbean leaders visiting Africa, or African leaders visiting the Caribbean and seeing our own machines carry our flags. Honorable Prime Minister, no nation develops without strong logistics and security mobility. The Kantanka Omama pickup was built exactly for that purpose. Regarding its key strength, it is powered by a 2.5 turbo diesel configuration diesel engine which provides higher torque, essential for pulling, hauling, and patrol work. The Kantanka Omama pickup truck has a horsepower of 136 and comes with several advanced features or advanced safety features, which includes a 360 panoramic view, a trip recorder, a reverse voice, a sensor, lane departure warning, and many others. Kantanka Omama has durable chassis and reinforced frame built to endure stress from heavy loads and rough terrain. It has a wide pickup bed ideal for utilities, disaster response, sanitation services, and security patrols. Parts are simpler to service locally, critical for cost control and public institutions. Your Excellency, this is the kind of vehicle that can serve police services, emergency responders, municipal authorities, public works departments, and many others. This means not imported complexity but practical African engineering. The Cananka Automobile goes a step further. This pickup is designed for commanding roles. This is what sets the Obrempong apart. Obrempong has a higher torque output which has a rotational pulling power essential for heavy duty operations. It has stronger suspension and axle system built to carry weight without compromising balance. Also, it comes with wide stance and commanding design suitable for senior security officials, project supervisors, and industrial leadership. The Kantanka Automobile pickup truck is powered by a 2.3 turbo diesel engine, has a 360 panoramic view, a trip recorder. This is a 5-seater, comes with sensors, lane departure warning, ABS, ABC, ABS, EBD, and many others. The Obrempong has multi-terrain capability from highways to off-road environments. Obrempong is not just transport, it is authority on wheels. Finally, Your Excellency, I present one of the most transformative vehicles in the Kantanka family, the Kantanka Boafo. Boafo means helper, and that is exactly what this vehicle does. Kantanka Boafo is a compact, fuel-efficient, and easy-to-operate vehicle. It is designed for farms and small businesses. It is perfect for transporting produce, tools, and supplies. Kantanka Boafo is powered by a one-stroke single cylinder which has a 350cc engine. It has a tipping bed with a load capacity of 1.5 tons or 1,500 kilograms. The Kantanka Boafo is a 4-wheel drive, has got 5 forward gears and 1 reverse, and this is perfect. Kantanka Boafo is perfect for farmers. Kantanka Boafo is affordable and accessible and opens ownership opportunities for youth, farmers like I said, and cooperatives. Also, it has a low fuel consumption which reduces operational costs for grassroots entrepreneurs. Your Excellency, Kantanka Boafo is a solution for food security, youth employment, rural productivity, and community-based economic growth. This is not charity, this is empowerment. Your Excellency, Grenada and the Caribbean face challenges similar to Africa: import dependency, foreign exchange pressure, youth unemployment, climate resilient development needs, and many others. Partnerships with African manufacturers like Kantanka open doors to South-South trade, technology exchange, vehicle assembly partnerships, and industrial skills transfer. This is not about replacing one dependency with another. It is about building with people who share your history. Your Excellency, Kantanka Automobile extends a hand of partnership, not only to sell vehicles, but to explore government-to-government collaboration, assembly opportunities, fleet supply partnerships, and skills exchange programs. From Accra to St. George's, from Kumasi to the Caribbean Sea, our story is reconnected. Your Excellency, the same people once separated by chains can now be reconnected by commerce. technology, and dignity. Kantanka is not just made in Ghana, it is made for Africans everywhere, including the Caribbean. This is Africa saying we are no longer only exporters of raw materials, we are builders, we are manufacturers, and we are ready to move forward together. Kantanka, it is not just any car, it is yours, it is mine, it is our car. If you believe in African innovation, if you believe in Caribbean African unity, if you believe it's time we build what we use, please subscribe. Please, I repeat, subscribe. Like this video, which is very important. Share your thoughts in the comment section and share this message across the world. Thank you very much.